What are the biggest challenges in e-commerce right now?
Well, I think globalization in total brings a lot of challenges. There's a lot of price pressure. There's a lot of competition, and merchants who don't have a strong, unique positioning and a strong focus on product experience, they will have a hard time competing against global players.
What is the future of e-commerce?
Well, I think the future of e-commerce is specialization. So merchants who are excellent in one niche of the market. So players need to specialize. They need to find a very good angle on product consulting and a good policy on the product range.
What do you like about Shopware?
Shopware is, to me, the strongest platform at the moment in the European e-commerce space when it comes to a native offering that covers about 90% of the needs of small and medium-sized businesses and also larger SMBs. So in that sense, Shopware has the strongest focus, I would say, and the strongest native feature set.
Do you want to talk about the partnership of Shopware and Creativestyle?
Yeah. So we've been partners for not very long, only since Shopware 6. In the short amount of time, we already had a huge traction and acceleration in the market. So we're really keen on rolling out bigger and bigger projects on Shopware now.